Everybody wants to be successful, but nobody virtually understands what does success mean. Success is not boundary lines that once you have crossed, you are finished. It's a path, it's a process. You have to keep it for the long term. I strongly believe our life and our forex trading are highly correlated with each other. If we want to get long term success in forex trading, we must make self a person, a trader, which richly deserves that kind of money and that kind of profits to earn from forex trading. This is reality. Approximately 5 to 10% of retail traders they make money from forex trading. So how you can be among those 5 to 10% peoples? This is really simple if you follow proper discipline, if you follow all the strategies with huge discipline and with a complete guide and with simple few steps. I always believe in one thing, my dear students. Time is money. You have to invest it wisely. Everything in your life can come back. For example, if you have lost some money, that can come back, but your time will never come. I often meet up with many students and they are always telling me one thing. We have been struggling this business from the last 5 to 10 years and it is becoming really difficult for us. And whenever I ask reason from them, what is basically the reason of their loss, the final conclusion is that they are never focusing on the live trading. There are two types of things in trading. Let's take before this let's take an example of sports. Okay, all the stuff which you are going to see related to sports in the videos, that is completely different what you experience in the physical reality. So forex trading is almost similar to sports. Okay, it's a self similar sport game. You have to improve it for day by day because 5.3 trillion dollars are daily traded in this market and your trading is just like a drop of water in ocean or in the sea. So you have to make yourself a new person, an improved person day by day for keeping you alive and for winning long term in this business. So I was talking about mistake which I always get from my students, and they always tell me they are never focusing on the live trading. So there are two types of thing. One is educational stuff. If you buy thousands of robots, indicators, watching YouTube tutorials, but if no one is never going to teach you how to trade in the live market, you are never going to learn. And that is where people make mistakes. What is the meaning of live market? By live market, I mean to say buy from here, stop loss, take profit. Sell from here, stop loss, take profit. That's it simple. I strongly believe if you are going your 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 to 2 hours to daily market, you should get either output. Output in the form of profit, output in the form of learning, output in the form of experience. You know, two types of people come into the market, people with the experience and people with the money. At the end of the day, people with the money they go with the experience, and people with the experience they go with the money. And this is reality, and this is what separates from 90% of the traders among 10% of the successful traders. Now, choice is yours for increasing your knowledge, what path you adopt. You want to make yourself a gambler or you want to make yourself a pro trader by learning important things. I strongly believe in our life and in our forex trading, our income will never exceed our personality. By personality, I mean to say our knowledge. So, how you can improve your knowledge? I would say by practicing again and again the same strategy. Either if you pick up one strategy and you are practicing and again on that strategy and you become master of that piece, honestly speaking, you can make a lot of money from this market. Of course, if 10% of other people's retail traders they are making money, you can also be among those people and you can also make that. But following all general steps, so I welcome all of you guys from the Smart Forex Academy. Here at this academy, you are going to learn everything about forex trading, but only for the live trading. we are not going to waste up your time, the most important time, in teaching you useless stuff. Here you will only learn only live trading. Buy from here, stop loss, take profit. Sell from here, stop loss, take profit. So if you are looking for a strategy that is going to waste up your time in teaching you different kind of stuff like candlestick, etc., etc., so I'm sorry for that. My course is only focusing on live trading, a strategy which is going to teach you huge profitable system. Simple: buy entry, stop loss, take profit. Simple: sell entry, stop loss, take profit. That's it. I highly respect time of everyone, and you are going to learn an awesome strategy here. The advanced forex trading strategy, making 50 pips daily. Really? It is possible to make 50 pips daily? Of course, yes, it is possible. And you will make 50 pips daily. If you are not going to make up, then here at this platform you have the ability to take your refund of money for the 30 days with 30 days money back guarantee. You will make 50 pips daily if you are going to follow all of important rules and all of the recommended time frames and everything which has been recommended here. So my only focus is to make yourself practicing again and again on live trading, buying from here, selling from here, stop loss, take profit. That's it. So if you are looking for such type of strategy, you are most welcome to enroll this strategy, and this is right place for you. If you have been struggling in your trading from the last 5 to 10 years, I know those people. If you are struggling from 1 to 2 years, this is the time where you can enroll into the strategy and where you can compensate that time and where you can compensate your amount of loss which you have spent so far in buying different kind of strategies and all kind of different stuff. I personally know those people who spent a lot of money for buying different kind of indicators, system, etc., etc., spending thousands of dollars, but at the end of the day they are going to get nothing, and it becomes really regret for them. So from this strategy you will get respect of your time, you are going to get value of your money, and this will be a great strategy for your value of money, because I always say time is money. So here I have given my absolute everything for respecting your time, and of course you are going to get a great value for money strategy in my this course, and you will be really surprised that how easy and how powerful is this strategy. And of course you will be able to make 50 pips daily profit safe and easily. I would say safe and easily. I will be updating all the trades live here. I will be guiding you if you will have any kind of difficulty. So that is really simple. You just need to enroll the strategy to open the doors of success for yourself. Now we will move and we will see what we are going to learn in our this strategy. I am going to explain you everything about this strategy so that it should become really easy for you. So dear students, I always try my best to keep the system very simple, to the point, easily understandable, and easily implemented to the live market. And in this strategy, the advanced forex trading strategy, making 50 pips daily, I have given my absolute everything to keep this system very simple, and I have explained everything with full detail, right? So let's take a look at what we are going to learn in our this strategy. First of all, we are going to take a look at the disclaimer. While this current lesson is for the introduction of this strategy, the advanced forex trading strategy, making 50 pips daily, right? This is the introduction clause. Then we are gonna take a look at how we can download and how we can install our system, right? After that, we are going to see a complete introduction for our strategy, that how a strategy is formed, what are the components of this strategy. So we are gonna take a complete look that how this strategy that what is the introduction of this strategy. Disclaimer: introduction, download and install complete strategy introduction. After that, we are going to see time of trading. Then we have buy entry, that is really important. Time of trading is really important, that during which hours you will be trading, so that is really important. Then we are going to see what is sell entry, how we can take our sell entry with proper stop loss, take profit. And that is what I am going to focus on this strategy, only live trading. That is where I'm gonna teach you only live trading. Buy from here, stop loss, take profit. Sell from here, stop loss, take profit. That's it, simple to the point, no complex charting. Then we are gonna see email alerts notification setup. Now this is really important system because sometimes students are not available in front of laptop or PC. So here I have done a system that how we will get also email alerts. For example, if you are not available in front of your PC or laptop, or you're doing any kind of job, so you will set up this system to VPS, and then VPS is running 24 hours, and then you will be getting your email alerts. So that also makes really easy for you guys to implement on this system, and that is really easy trading. So we are going to take a look at how we will set up our email alerts notification setup, and then in the second section we have live trades. So all of you guys are most welcome to enroll into this strategy and open the doors of success for yourself, making 50 pips daily in this forex trading. This is really simple to the point system, and there is no complex charting at all, etc., etc. I wish you good luck for all of you guys. Enroll into this strategy. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay blessed.